back to another English online session. Today we are going to look into the poem No Men Are Foreign. As the title suggests, the people from other country, they are not different from others, they are human beings like us. He wanted to promote the universal brotherhood through this poem. Based on the geography, they have different skin color or their appearance, but deep in our mind, we all the same. We are human beings. So he wanted to promote the universal brotherhood. The aim of this poem is to promote universal brotherhood. In this poem, the poet wants to tell us that everyone in this world is same. All people, all men are same. They eat, live, die the same way. Everyone gets the bounties of nature like sunshine, land in equal measure. So according to the poet, everything we are getting from nature. The nature providing us. Those things are equal to all of us, like sunlight, air, everything. But in certain areas, human making differences, creating differences, trying to find differences. But according to the poet, all men, we all same. Shall we start? Before that, let me give you a few hints about the poet James Kirkup. His full name is James Falconer Kirkup. He was born on 23rd April 1918 in England and passed away on 10 May 2009 in Antora. Was a prolific English poet, translator, travel writer. He was brought up in South Shields and educated at South Shields Secondary School and Durham University. He wrote 30 books including autobiographies, novels and plays. He became a fellow of the Royal Society of Literature in 1962. By the time you may get know how prominent is this writer. Now let's see the stanzas one by one. Remember, no men are strange, no country is foreign. Beneath all uniforms, a single body breathes like ours. The land our brothers walk upon is earth like this, in which we all shall lie. So the poet telling us, no men are strange. They are human beings. They are familiar. They are not strange. They are not unfamiliar. And no countries are foreign. Same as our countries. Geographically, changes are there, but still they are same. And beneath the uniforms, the different countries have their own armies, different colors, different appearance of dresses. These apparent changes, away from these apparent changes, the body or the human being inside the uniform is same. We all human beings. The apparent differences are there, but in that we all same. Like ours, the land our brothers walk upon is earth like this. So the other country, it is in the same earth. We are living in a country and our brothers or the people we consider as foreigners, they are also living in the same earth in which we all shall lie, in which we all live. In this earth only they are also living, enjoying everything we do. In the initial stanza itself, the poet wanted to tell us there is no difference. We all human beings. We should have such a perspective. They too, aware of sun and air and water, are fed by peaceful harvest, by war's long winter starved. Their hands are ours, and in their lines we read a labor not different from our own. They are enjoying the sun, the air, water, everything, and nature is providing the same to them. And they are fed by peaceful harvest. They are enjoying their harvest, and also the same way they are suffering because of these wars, long winter starved. Because of war, because of the different man made disasters, people are suffering. Like us, they are also going through the same. One side, peaceful harvest, or one time, peaceful harvest, enjoying the time. The other time, because of this war and all those things, the starvation, living without enough food. They are also suffering the same as we do. Their hands are ours. Their hands also same as ours. And in their lines we read a labor not different from our own. Not very different from our labor, work we are doing. They are also working hard to find their livelihood. So we cannot find much difference in that also. Remember, they have eyes like ours that wake or sleep, and strength that can be won by love in every land is a common life that all can recognize and understand. So remember that they also have the same eyes like us. They go to sleep, they wake up in the morning, they go to sleep at night, same as we do, and strengthen that can be won by love. So the love, showing love and care, can be won by without any barrier of language, without barrier of any other discriminations. Love can strengthen love and care, showing the brotherhood can strengthen us. In every land is a common life that all can recognize and understand. Every land, every countries we identified as foreign, we can find common life very similar to all the countries. Let us remember whenever we are told to hate our brothers, it is ourselves that we shall dispose, betray, contempt. Remember, we who take arms against each other. So, whenever someone, a leader or whoever it is, asking you to hate or showing another group of people or the people living in another place or believing in another religion as enemies, by hating our brothers, the people, the fellow human beings, we are hating ourselves. We are disposes or dislodge the hate upon us. We are just hating ourselves, betraying or showing contempt on ourselves. If we hate someone because our leader or someone said to us, it is like hating ourselves. We shouldn't do that. Because of their orders, because of their lectures, we just ready to take arms, weapons against each other. According to the point, we should understand that we are hating ourselves when we take a weapon or when we try to hate our brothers, our fellow beings. We are hating ourselves. It is the human earth that we defile. Our hells of fire and dust outrage the innocence of air that is everywhere our own. Remember, no men are foreign and no countries strange. So, by hating each other, we are defiling the earth. Defile meaning making dirty, pollute. So we are polluting our earth. Our hells of fire and dust outrage the innocence of air. So we are polluting everything, not literal pollution, but in the mind, creating discriminations, creating hatred, creating unnecessary wars. We are polluting the earth. We are polluting our mind with such thoughts. Remember, no men are foreign and no country is strange. So finally, he was completing the poem by saying that the people or fellow human beings living in this earth are our brothers. We should promote universal brotherhood that just keep away unnecessary violence, hatred, war, everything, and make this earth a better place. So, no countries are strange. Just keep that in your mind. Now, let's see the poetic devices or the literary devices used in this poem. The first one is alliteration. We have already seen in the previous poems the repetition of consonant letter in the consecutive words in a line. The instance of alliteration in the poem are body breathes. Both words starts with B, the consonant letter B. And the second one was winter. Both words starts with W. And next one metaphor. Uniforms refer to the military of different countries. The uniform, that word refers the military, the army of different countries. War's time is compared to the winter season, which the poet trying to create what was the impact of war. Winter season known for dry, lack of food, such kind of problems people face in the winter season. The same he was just comparing with the war season. Hope you understood the message of the poem. See you with another lesson in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.